So, all right, guys, welcome back. So, what's the plan for this video? In this video, I'm going to show you something related to networking, like IP address, network connectivity, and all. Let us start. I have already opened my Oracle VirtualBox. Here, I am inside one group. You can create the same group. I think from here, not here. I think yes, from tools maybe, or you can just drag and drop something like this. Okay, see here, one group is there. Again, that group contain another group. So you can just drag and drop the VMs and it will make a group. Okay, so I will prefer to clone my VM and start the things from there. Just give a minute. Let me clone. Let me give it name as test environment. Generate new MAC address. Go to next. Clone. So from now onwards, I won't delete this test environment. We will work in it. And finally, our projects will be there also. So I think all of you have idea what is IP address. IP address, you can say like it's a unique number, like each and every home you are staying in, your house, your plot, wherever you are, that is having some unique number for identification. Like in your colleges, you must having roll number. Similarly, when a machine is connected to internet, then they have one unique address that is called IP address, Internet Protocol Address, that is of 4 bytes. IP are of two types, IP version 4 and version 6. IPv4 or version 4 is of 4 bytes. So I hope you all have basic idea about networking. So the command in Windows, let me show you. I'm going to command prompt. If I type IP config, this is my IP address, IP version 4, IPv4, 192.168.0.102. Similarly, we will see here my test environment is ready. Let me start it. And we have something called MAC address that is related to your Ethernet card, or you can say LAN card, or if you know NIC, network interface card. MAC address is related to that. That is also known as physical address, and IP address is you can say logical address. Got it? Okay, so just few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Nice, my login page come up. I am going with root account, password, then press enter. Fantastic, I have logged in. First time, so it's taking a bit time. Okay, great. So if I will use my graphical interface, I'm going to activities, going to open the terminal. So the very first command you can try if you have internet connectivity or not. If you want to check, can you ping Google or can you reach Google? So the command is ping 8.8.8.8. So what is 8.8.8.8? This is the IP address of one of the DNS server of Google. So what is DNS? If you don't know, in the upcoming videos I will explain. I will also show you how to set up your own DNS server and some other things also. So it is one of the IP address of Google DNS server. If you can ping successfully, it means you have internet connectivity. Let me check. Here it is saying network is unreachable. I think I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi. Just let me check. First let me turn off, then I can again connect. I think just a minute. I think my Wi-Fi, my internet connectivity is down. Let me change the Wi-Fi in Windows. Give me a minute, please. Let me try the same from Windows first. If I want to ping 8.8.8.8, yes, I can ping. It means I have internet connectivity. Now let me try the same from here. Again I'm doing ping 8.8. Yes, you can see here now it's properly connected. Okay, so I have internet connectivity. You can also verify this if I'm going to open one of the browser, that is Firefox by default provided here in Red Hat Linux. I can go and I can search something. Let me try for car. You can see the images come up. It means I have successful internet connectivity. And from CLI you cannot open the Firefox because there we don't have GUI, that they do not have the graphical interface, so you cannot open Firefox there. And that's why you can connect, or you can check your connectivity by this command only, ping any IP. You can also do www.google.com. okay, here also you can see there is pinging. What it actually means, see here, last time they are giving finally ping statistics, 11 packets transmitted and 11 packets received. It means our operating system is sending some packets. They are of 64 bytes in size, and they have received same 11 packets. It means the amount they have sent, they've got exactly the same amount. That means no packet loss. It means proper internet connectivity. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, I forgot to enlarge my screen. Just a minute. Yes, now I hope it is clearly visible. See here, ICMP sequence 1, sequence 2, 3. How many packets they are sending? This is the sequence number, and ICMP is the protocol on which ping command is working, and they are sending 64 bytes. This is the ping statistics. 8 packets transmitted, 7 received. It means 12.5% packet loss. Almost same, because here I just terminated the process. So before terminating the process, they might have sent the packet, and before receiving, I have terminated. So they could not receive. That's why it is called 7 received. No issues. So if my computer is connected to internet, so now I will have one IP address. So the command to see your IP address, or you can change the IP address by that command also, that is ifconfig. Okay, so here you can see many more things. Let me go up. Here you can see ifconfig. This is something called ENP0S3, and they are giving IP addresses 192.168.43.189. And if I go down, then you can see something called LO, then VIR, BR0. These are network cards. This is virtual network card, and this is loopback. You might be knowing about loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1. That is the loopback IP. One thing you can do, like this command is giving so much output, so much giving the things in the console, so it is getting difficult to see. So you can use ifconfig pipe symbol, then less. It will give the output from very starting. So the output starts from this line. So it is starting from here, ENP0S3. This is the main network card by which you are going to internet. Okay, so you can say like it's a gateway from your laptop, from your Linux virtual machine to the entire outside world. By this network card you are going. Okay, so the IP is 192.168.43.189. We are not interested for this and for this right now. So what I can do, here you can see, and just press Q. See here, the output completely vanished. So what I can do, I'm interested for seeing only the same network card, that is ENP0S3. I can give the network card name here and see just the simple output for that only. Okay, so from now onwards, when I want to see my IP address, I will use this command, ifconfig ENP0S3. This is the network card name. Okay, got it. So what is the next command? One more thing I want to show you here. Just let me. Okay, so if I want to shut down my network, that is I want to disconnect my network, what I can do this wired connect. I'm turning off it. Now if I do ifconfig, see here, we don't have the IP address. You have something called flag and something else, but you don't have the IP address. Okay, so if I now ping 8.8.8.8, here you can see the network is unreachable. So if I again want to connect, I can go here and just connect. Okay, so again I am doing ping 8.8.8, again started, and for now if you want to see the IP address, IP address again come up. Okay, so this is how you can do the things. And anything else? Yes, In Windows you might have seen, just let me again show you. I'm going to command prompt and I'm doing ping 8.8.8.8. You can see here first packet, second packet, third packet, fourth packet. They sent 4, they received 4 and lost 0% loss. Okay, so they sent packets for only 4 times. So if you want to do something like that, here in Linux they are sending continuously. The sequence won't stop, it will go on. I have to stop by left control then C. Forcefully I'm stopping it. Okay, so if you want to stop it by gracefully, or if you want to set only 2 packets or maybe 5 packets, so you can use -C. C means count. I want to set 3 packets suppose, so you can use -C 3. C means count. See here, sequence 1, 2 and 3. Let me clear the screen and show you again. If you want to send only 1 packet, you can also type 1. Only 1 packet sent, 1 received. Okay, you can do this thing. Okay, so let me do the same thing in the CLI. That's why you can learn some more. I'm just shutting down this GUI. Let me go to the CLI. Yes, CLI come up. Let me try here only. I won't clone. Here I will do the same. So the challenge come up in CLI, that is you cannot use your mouse there. Okay, so how you can switch on your Wi-Fi, or how you can shut down your network? How you can do? In the GUI, I was using my mouse pointer and shutting down the network and setting up and switching on, switch off. That I can do very easily. But how you can do the same thing here? Okay, that thing, for everything we have command, and in GUI we cannot see the commands. We are just using my mouse pointer. So let me log in with the root. I'm giving my password. Yes, I'm logged in. If I check ping 8.8.8.8, here it is showing no network is unreachable. Great. So now how you can connect to your internet? So the command for network connectivity is nmcli. Okay, so nmcli is the main command. What options they support and what is the syntax, you can do this by --help. You can see many things here. Just go and research by yourself. For now, let me tell you, I am again clearing the screen. Okay, so the command is nmcli. As we are doing connection, so we have to type con. My connection is down. Now I want to make my connection up. So the command is nmcli con up. If I press enter, it is asking for neither a valid connection nor a device given. So the internet is connected to your NIC, that is Ethernet card. So you have to give the Ethernet card name here. So my card name was ENP0S3. Sorry, S3. Yes. So finally, nmcli con up ENP0S3. See here, connection successfully activated. They are giving some dbus path. Now if I ping 8.8.8.8, now you can see ping sequence 1, 2, 3, they are going on. I want to send only 2 packets, then I can use -C, that means count, only send 2 packets. Got it? So again, if I want to shut down my network connection, I can do nmcli con down, and the name of Ethernet card is ENP0S3. Connection ENP0S3 successfully deactivated. Okay, now just let me clear the screen, and now if I ping, network is unreachable. Okay, one thing you might have doubt regarding that, the space doesn't matter in command. Like let me again up the connection. The command is this. I am typing this, or I can give 3 spaces here, or I can give 5 spaces here. No worries, you can do this. This is exactly the same. Okay, see here, connection successfully activated, and again I'm doing ping. Here you can do this. I'm giving this much spaces, no issues. See here, this come to the second line. Same thing, same working, same concept. The space never matters in these commands. So anywhere, any command, if there are some commands where you might face some issue regarding space, I will tell them. For now, just basics commands, you don't require anything, so you can give as much space as you want. Okay, that's all for this video. and let me just shut down this OS. In this video you have learned the nmcli command, the ifconfig, and the ping command. Okay, so let me shut it down. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will see something else, something interesting. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.